Welcome back. Battle of Mandrem is heating up. Dayanand Sopte and Ramakant Khalap opened their respective offices at Mandrem and Morjim under the banner of Congress. Around 200 people attended Khalap's function at Morjim, while Sopte's office opening received a huge response of more than 2,000 people.
Two offices under the banner of Congress party were opened in Mandrake constituency on Saturday. Ramakant Khalap and staunch congressman Babi Bakar opened the Congress branch at Morjim. Around 200 people were present for this function.
एकत्र राहून पुढे सरूया. जो निर्णय श्रेष्ठी घेतील तो घेऊया. तो निर्णय शिरधार्य मानूया.
Dayanand Sopte, in the presence of Health Minister Vishwajit Rane and Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar, opened his office at Mandrem. Around 2,000 people attended this function.
आम्ही वडले किती केले ना कारण काल सकाळचो पोट जसो म्हणतात तसो काल सकाळचो म्हणजे फक्त 4.5 वर्षाचो आमदार आणि तो सुद्धा विरोधी पक्षातले आमदार असतात हांव असो पण म्हाका केन्नाच संधी मेळिना की हांव विरोधान आसा हांव डेव्हलपमेंट करू शकना.
The common guest at both this function was GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar.
तिकेट मुजीबी ताजीबी विश्विताजीबी हाजीबी मॅडम सोनिया गांधी थारायची. काँग्रेस पक्षाचे स्पर्धक असतात. प्रदेश इलेक्शन कमिटी जी गोंयांत बसतली थारायतली ही नांवां. सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिटी दिल्लीत बसतली 15 जाणांची थारायतली गोंयच्या आयली ही नांवां अमकी आमी पास करूया.
A reporter from Mandrem, Vinod Methar.
Villagers of Rejmagos have demanded stern action against the sarpanch of Rejmagos Panchayat. They claim that the sarpanch has violated the Gram Sabha rules by allowing a mega project in the village. They also claim that the government has notified the regional plan of Rejmagos without getting it passed in the Gram Sabha.
Members of Udgoikara say a mega project coming up in their area was not passed in the Gram Sabha.
Villagers of Rejmagos had unanimously taken a Gram Sabha decision on 16th November 2008 against mega projects and not to issue any permissions for mega projects unless it is decided in the Gram Sabha. The administration of the village panchayat of Rejmagos has collapsed. Instead of protecting the environment for posterity, our sarpanch, that is the sarpanch of village panchayat Rejmagos, is encouraging the real estate lobby in total disregard to the sentiments and welfare of the local people.
They also say that the government has notified the regional plan of Rejmagos without getting it passed in the Gram Sabha. They have threatened to go to court on the issue.
This regional plan, this plan which was submitted by the sarpanch to the TCP department is completely different from the plan which was fixed in the 14th April 2009 Gram Sabha. And because of this reason, we had declared this regional plan to be null and void. From that day, that is 24th May 2009, till date, we are waiting that the government will hold a special Gram Sabha on the regional plan, but no Gram Sabha is being held. And to our surprise and shock, the government has notified the village regional plan of Rejmagos.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
The barge industry in the state has expressed fears that if mining export is banned, the whole economy of Goa will collapse. They say that lakhs of people are entirely dependent on mining industry like barge owners.
There are about 400 barges in the state. Some news reports have said that Shah Commission may suggest ban on mining exports from Goa. Barge Owners Association feels that their business will get adversely affected if the ban comes into force. Chandrakant Gaon said that if the business of barges dips, then it will affect livelihood of the barge owners. Around 30,000 people work on barges. Hence, any drastic step will lead to large scale of unemployment.
गोया राज्यात मायनिंग हे जर बंद झाले जाल्यार बार्ज इंडस्ट्रीचेर विपरीत असो परिणाम जातलो आणि आता सध्याच जाल्लो आसा. सुरवातीक सप्टेंबरात जेन्ना सीजन सुरवात जालो त्या वेळाचेर पासून आतापर्यंत आमी बँकेक लोन दिवपाक सुद्धा शकनात.
He also said that barge industry contributes about 12 crores annually to the state exchequer by paying various taxes.
अशा पद्धतीचो जर बॅन जर मायनिंगाचेर येत जाल्यार आमी बार्ज इंडस्ट्रीतले कामगार, मालक आणि बाकी जे अवलंबून बार्ज इंडस्ट्रीचेर आसा ते खरोखरच एक परिस्थिती अशी जातली की हालाकीची परिस्थिती जातली आणि आम्ही सर्वाइव जावपाक सुद्धा शकपाक ना.
Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
400 workers of Western India Shipyard Limited held a tool-down strike on Saturday. Irregular payment of salaries and absence of medical benefits are their main issues. They also sought to know why an employee was suspended without any intimation.
The employees of Western India Shipyard posed a tool-down strike on Saturday. They have demanded immediate grant of salary. They informed that they don't get any medical benefits. Moreover, the Provident Fund deduction is incorrect. They have also demanded immediate revocation of suspended employees. Prasad Haldankar informed us more about their demands.
आमच्या कामगाराक कित्याक तू सस्पेंड केला कमिटी मेंबरांक कित्याक प्रॉब्लेम कितें तरी आसपाक जाय न्हू बाबा की तोडफोड केली कोणाक मारले कोणाक गाडी घातले कामगारांक बंद केले तेन्ना लेटर बी काडपाक शकता कांयच करिनासतना सगळे सुरळीत बऱ्या भशेन भाश्य जाल्यार थर्ड पार्टी पोलीस पर्सनल आसात PI साहेब आसा त्याच्या उतराक वालोर ना तो फुडें नासतना सगळे इन रायटींग जाल्यार तरी आसतना आमचेर इतली एक्शनां घेतात आणि हे 8 दीस जेन्ना ती मिटींग जाली PI साहेब येवन गेला तेन्नाच्यान हे चालूच आसा.
We also tried to seek clarification from the officials, but they refused to comment. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.